Every evil seal, destroy, Lord. Every evil vacancy, let your power, let it destroy it. In the name of Jesus. Thank you, Daddy. In Jesus' mighty name we are praying. Can you open your mouth to me? I want you to pray that prayer. Talk to God. Say, my Father, my Father. Every evil remote control pointing to my direction, scatter it now. By your power, scatter it. Evil remote control. Libala no superledie. Inakatoma la secretaria. E libala no ziketuana sere. Medende ketuana ta. Ikatuni ni azibalata. Every remote control pointing to my life, pointing to my direction. Father, destroy it now. Let it malfunction. Let it malfunction. Every evil remote control. Mendo inekete. Libala nuzidekedia. Ela paladua zaranote. Limeredun zigenianza. You do things ordinary that you cannot do. It is the remote control of the devil. Zira no seke. Edina naziabalate. Inkatuka kiakete. Mamba dende kedua zaka. Every remote control of the enemy pointing to my life. Father, let it malfunction. Thank you, Ancients of Days. For in Jesus'